What's up, folks? It's your boy DT 2.0, and today, surprisingly, I got what I've been waiting for about a week. I was kind of surprised when I saw them pop up. I knew they were coming, but they kind of popped up on Alienware's or Dell's website when I was going through the motions of putting stuff in my cart and taking it out, trying to decide what to get next. These are the Alienware 920H tri-mode wireless gaming headset. Now, obviously, the design is different. Kind of look like iPod head, like iPod earbuds, but bigger. But one thing that I did notice about these that I didn't notice when I ordered them was they're actually noise canceling, which is right up my alley. Right up my alley. So I've been waiting on a pair of gaming headsets with noise canceling features that was in my price range. The price range for this, $199. Pretty good. So I hope that the noise canceling is just as good as that price. Here's to hoping. Anyway, let's look at some of the features here. Dolby ATMOS, high-res audio, Discord certified, and of course, Bluetooth. Rated for 55 hours. Got a little asterisk. We'll talk about that in a minute. In the back here, just all of the features here. So it's tri-mode, which means tri-mode just basically means wired, wireless using Wi-Fi, and then Bluetooth. That's all. I think they tried to make it seem more than what it is, but they use the same terminology for the mouse that they have, the new mouse that they have out right now. Noise canceling technology, AI noise canceling microphones, and of course, fast charging. Fast charge 15 minutes for 6 hours of use. Okay. All right. We're going to test that out. Not today, though. Headset specifications, 40mm high-res drivers, Dolby ATMOS, battery life up to 30 hours using Wi-Fi, 55 hours using Bluetooth. So that's what that asterisk was on the front. Leatherette, fake leather, memory foam ear pads, 3mm connector cable with inline controls, the microphone, frequency response, 20 to 40. Pretty normal, maybe extending it on the high end a little bit, more than normal headphones, which are 20 to 20, and 300 kilograms. So we'll see. Let's just see what's in the box. USB-A to USB-C Lite, ultra flexible charging cable, USB-A to USB-C adapter, and a carrying pouch. All right, compatibility, USB-C dongle, Bluetooth 5.2 and 3.5mm analog adapter on Windows 10, Windows 11, Android, and iOS. So we'll see. Maybe I'll try this with some actual music. So hopefully these sound good. So let's bust these things open. So again, it took a couple of days to get to me. I ordered it to be next day air, but oh, it seems like we got a little Apple tab right here. But they emailed me immediately. They said there was a delay. So, wow. Okay. Nothing in that box. We're going to put that to the side. And right off the bat, even though they look white on the cover, it's kind of a off-white. And I'm hoping that it's almost like a light gray. And I'm hoping that this is the same color as the R13 that I just got in, that I'm going to post a video about here in a second. I love the presentation. I love the way they set in here. They got just some Velcro straps holding it in. And let's see if I can get these up out of here. All right, so right off the bat. Oh, you know what? We'll talk about that in a minute. All right, let's just see what's in the box. So up here, we got this seems like it's the pouch. Let's just bust this open. Opens on one side. Yeah. Okay, cool. I thought they didn't have any branding on there. Got the Alienware branding on here. It's not as stiff as I would like, and don't expect it to protect anything except for preventing it from getting scratched. That's about it. But as you can see, there's a little pouch in the inside that's held together with Velcro, probably for your cables and adapters that go with it, and the drawstring to close it. So that's pretty cool. At least you get something. But, you know, just like with the older Beats studio headphones, I'd like to see hard cases come with these. Obviously, it's probably going to cost more on the end user. So it is what it is. Here's your USB-C to USB-A cable. I'm liking the material that they use for this. It's kind of, I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, you can. It's soft. It doesn't even feel like a cable, so I'm kind of liking that. And I like the way they use the rubber. Oh, they got the rubber. Oh, it stays on there too. Cool. I don't know what to call this. The rubber banding that they use to secure it so it won't unravel all over the place. But yeah, it feels tangle free, and I love the way that feels. I really like that. I like the material that they use for that. Here's your inline, and of course the microphone here will be in line with the color of the headset, and it's pretty much the same material, just a smaller cable overall. As you can see, your rings on here for the mic and left and right audio. Anyway, put that over there. Books. Do I get any stickers in here? Sure do. Looks like it. And I'm disappointed. Okay, we get a thank you card. Some instructions. We'll put that on the side just in case I don't know what the hell I'm doing. All right, so no stickers at all. It's all good. We're gonna toss that to the side. And then last but not least, and you can see it stuck in there, we have what looks like a USB to USB-A, USB-C to USB-A adapter. Cool, at least they give it to you. And then it's gonna be hard to get this one out. And this is your dongle. So this is the first time they actually sent, this is the first set of headphones that I've gotten in here that, as you can see the Alienware branding on here, that actually uses a USB-C dongle, right? I have my Syn Pro Airs, my Roccat Syn Pro Airs over there, and I had a couple of other headphones in here by Corsair that all had USB-A adapters. This one right here is a USB-C. Cool, loving that. All right, so put this junk back in the box. Oh, I'll just use Wi-Fi today and toss that to the side. And let's just talk about the headset real quick. All right, right off the bat. Oh man. So what looks like plastic right here, that's metal. That's cold metal right there. And I'm liking it. I don't know about stretching this too far because it feels like it'll break, but if that's all metal, I have nothing to worry about. The headband up here at the top is rubber. It's like a rubber, probably plastic with a soft rubber coating. It doesn't scratch though. And then under here, it looks like the leatherette that's soft. It's really soft. But the ear cups are soft, like a little bit softer than normal headsets that you get. And then obviously these are plastic right here. Overall, I'm loving the way that they look. They're different, and I can't wait to see how that head lights up on there. Hopefully I can get it to match my computer. And there's your USB-C connector for USB-C connector. And then here's your microphone connector. And then at the bottom, you have your noise canceling switch. Hopefully that comes into focus, your mic mute, and then your modes right here. So it's wired, Bluetooth, and then 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi. If you can see, it's written in white. That's bad juju. Written on off-white. I probably would have preferred that to be a different color. I wouldn't mind that written in black in here. And you can see a couple of mics on there for your noise canceling. But weight feels good. I love the way this hook right here that connects the ear cup to the headphones. It feels like metal. Has to be metal because it's cold. And I'm loving the way it looks overall. So let me plug these things up real quick. Connect them to my computer, pull up a game or a song or something, and let y'all know how they feel. Give me 1 second. Ooh. Most likely. Something I believe. All right, so hey, I'm not gonna even lie. These are the best. Alienware is not paying me anything for the reviews that I do for their products. Let me just put that out there. I don't get a dime. I'm just a fan, a general fan of Alienware products. I didn't trust their last set of headphones. One, because they didn't have noise canceling, and I wanted a pair of noise canceling headsets. But damn, these mugs sound good. Like, I'm talking, and I'm not talking about the noise canceling. I'm talking about just the sound in general. I'm talking on par with maybe Bose off the bench, like off the bench for Bose, backup quarterback for Bose. They sound a whole lot better than any, especially those Corsair Virtuoso RGB XTs out of here. They sound leagues ahead of it. These are loud. The bass is just right. Mid-range is nice. The highs are crunchy. I'm talking, oh my God, these sound a whole lot better. Now, with the good, there's some bad, right? I have not mastered the touch controls yet. So that's the only thing that I haven't mastered just yet, right? Now, they do work when I'm turning the lights on and off. If you hit it 3 times, it turns the lights on and off. Okay, so I just have to figure out what's the best place to touch them, and then work that into my muscle memory. But these, I'm telling you, these sound good. You will not be disappointed with these. If music sounds good on these, I'm pretty sure video games sound good on these, and I haven't tested them just yet. I'm going to do that here in a second. But just know, music-wise and Bluetooth, and of course, you know, Bluetooth doesn't sound as good as wired, and I've verified that by wiring up to my computer. These sound outstanding. These are a keeper, I'm telling you, right? It's very rare that I can find a set of headphones that I can use to both play games and listen to music while I'm, say, cleaning the house, because now I don't have to hear the vacuum or hear the air conditioner in the back, humming in the back, because of the noise canceling. That's pretty good. It's not the best. It's not like Sony or Bose level, but I mean, they're good for the $199 that you're going to pay for these. So hit me in the comments if you have any questions. I'm going to keep playing with these, and if I have any issues, of course, I'll do another video. But for right now, these Alienware new headsets, the AW920Hs, it's right up my damn alley. Thanks for watching. This is DT 2.0. Deuces.